In this walkthrough, I'd like to discuss how to data enter information into the Yearli Desktop application. We'll cover how to add a payer, how to add a recipient, and how to add a form. So once you've installed the software, from the dashboard, you'll select the payer list. And from here, you'd want to hit the Add Payer button. And on the right-hand side, you'll see you can enter in all of the payer fields here. And by default, if you hit the Tab button, that will change the fields for you. However, you can change a setting so that the Enter button would change the fields for you. So once you've added all of your payer information, you click the Save button. And if you had any payer level forms that you'd like to add as well, you can do that from this bottom section here on the right. And you'd click the Add Form button. And then there's two different drop downs. The first would be to select the agency, meaning the federal agency or any of the state agencies. And then the forms that you can add in here would be state UI or withholding or the federal 94X series forms. Also, you'll be able to find the 1094C form, and this is where you would data enter in any payer level forms. So after you've entered in your payer information, you would double click on the payer and it will bring you to the recipient list. Then you would hit the Add Recipient button, and so that will allow you to add any of the information for the recipient, and then when you're done, you'd hit Save. And then once you're done with all of your recipient information and setting up the recipients, you can add in your year-end forms by the Add Form button in the bottom right section. So you click on the Add Form button, and then from the drop-down, you'll select the form type that you want to key in. So when you click on the form type, you'll be able to, on this first tab, add any state-specific information if you needed to do some state filing for the 1099s. And then you can toggle to the dollar amounts, and this is where you'd key in the dollar amounts for a particular recipient. And so once you add in the information that's applicable, you click OK, and then it will save the form in this bottom portion. And in case you need to edit the information, you can just double-click that in the future. If you have any questions, please visit our knowledge base at yearlidesktop.greatland.com. And thank you for your time today.